Hi, I am M. Ritik. I am currently pursuing my catering course in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today I am going to explain about the Zomato, Indian company that started as foodie back in 2008 from Georgian before it was registered to Zomato in November 2010. Future restaurant information such as scanned menus and photos sourced by local street teams as well as user reviews and ratings. The company also provides cashless payment, online ordering, white label apps, table reservation and point of sale system. In 2012, it spread wings globally and started acquiring restaurants like listing companies in emerging markets. Zomato, an Indian startup acquiring the world. Introduction. Zomato is a restaurant search and discovery service founded in 2008 by Deepinder Goyal and Pankaj Sada. It currently operates in 23 countries, including India, Australia, and the United States. It features restaurant information such as scanned menus and photos sourced by local street teams, as well as user reviews and ratings. The company also provides cashless payment, online ordering, white label apps, table reservation, and point of sale system. Zomato was initially named as Foodie Bay. It is a restaurant searching platform providing in-depth details with autonomous reviews and ratings. Foodie Bay. The initial name was changed to Zomato in November 2010 to increase their reach among people. Zomato is a restaurant discovery platform providing comprehensive menus, reviews, and content detail for restaurants. Territories include India, USA, United Arab Emirates, Sri Lanka, Qatar, the Philippines, South Africa, and now London. Founded in New Delhi in 2008, Zomato employs approximately 1,000 staff over the globe. To differentiate themselves from their competitors, Zomato concentrated on adding approximately 18,000 new places to eat from. Along with they also decorated many special features such as pointed to particular dishes or opening times. Thank you.